Meaning of follow the leader.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. Follow the leader is a game or process where individuals imitate the actions of their leader or someone who is seen as a role model. The result of this behavior can be both positive and negative. On the positive side, it can help improve coordination, teamwork, and efficiency as everyone is working towards the same goal. On the negative side, it can lead to conformity and lack of creativity as people stop thinking for themselves and simply follow what the leader does. Ultimately, the effectiveness of follow the leader depends on the situation and the quality of the leader.